My name is Denasia Gideon. I am class of 2022, currently your expanded function dental assistant. Yes, I'm glad that I joined Dentrilogy Academy because my professors were very in tune about my future. Any questions or any difficulties that I had, Ms. Jackie and Dr. Rivas was there to help me out the whole process from me getting hired, from me starting. They were very in tune and they really cared about my future. My biggest fear and what I was skeptical about is that I wouldn't understand the material, like it wouldn't register, but again, like I mentioned, my teacher was there. Any questions or anything that I didn't understand, I got pulled to the side, and you guys made sure that I didn't leave that day without understanding the material. So I'm so thankful that even though it's a lot of students, you guys still took that one-on-one opportunity to connect with every student. This has really stepped me up in life because I'm able to do more things, I'm open to more opportunities. Just in general, the people that I met, the communication, I love the program. It really helped my future because of the opportunity and things that I get to do now that I wasn't able to do in the beginning. So I'm just happy that I'm able to experience this program. I actually got hired on my second week. I had the potential, everything that I learned in class, I applied it to the real field. So I'm happy that my professors really set me up. So it wasn't like I stepped into the field, I didn't learn anything. Everything was the same. Everything I applied pressure as I learned it in class. Do it. Like you shouldn't have any regrets. You shouldn't be scared at all. Like this is the perfect program. I would tell everybody, like, join this program. It's gonna change your life. You're gonna meet wonderful people who really care, and you can just feel the love, feel the genuine connection. So join. Like there's nothing more to it.